Limestone ball press should be prepared before pressing materials. The blast furnace production of limestone industry needs concentrate, and the pellet production of limestone ball press also needs concentrate. Pelletizing raw materials should have certain particle size, suitable moisture, uniform and good chemical composition, which are important guarantees for the production of limestone pelletizing. Our company is the first in the domestic development of the corresponding limestone ball press put into production, has achieved good results because the pellet strength and the pressure of the limestone ball press machine itself is inseparable. The particle size is finer, the shape of the material particle is changed, the surface activity is enhanced, and the pelletizing performance is greatly improved.